taillights. We're gonna install them, you're gonna watch it. Ew. This is the world's most gassed up spider right now. Gassed out of his mind, bro. He's trying to make the web. He's like, damn, I think I gotta put my leg back here or something. Smokes. Smoke City.
Let's see him.
Oh yeah. Alright, Pete the old. Yeah, see how those ugly ass lights, bro? You know we had to hit him. You know we had to hit him with that fresh shit, bro. LEDs, freaking dynamic. I don't know what that means, but it's dynamic. We got the resistor already in there, bro.
Just one clip, couple bolts were in.
Easy shit, bro. Compared to this boy's $100 tail lights.
Hey, but
Kind of a nightmare.
they look good.
Just pops out. So here you got him out. This job literally requires a torque wrench. Break that shit. Yo, we could add it to the wall of taillights.
We could start the wall of taillights. What y'all think? Wall of taillights? Well, we got the whole fucking rafter or whatever the fuck.
I mean, they're deep, bro.
Tab. Oh, sure. Hey, there's a will, there's a way. Somebody tell this man's. There's a will, there's a way.
I'm not spider's home, bro. About light ballast thingy out.
Look, it's just a little actual fucking ballast thing. Looks hella nice.
Some top tier shit. Alright, so basically,
See what's going on here. When we line the taillight up to get all these pegs, this peg, and like this peg to get lined up with the taillights, this freaking rod is just trying to poke like right here. We either gotta drill a hole into the car or probably just cut that shit off. We're gonna see if we can't twist it out and if it's something that's just like screwed in there.
Yeah.
Alright, so update. Like 30 seconds later, the shit just screws out. And now we're about to see. I think it's about to just line up perfectly now. So might not have been that big of a deal. Always expect the worst. Money. Hell yeah. Alright, just throw this away. You don't need it, right? Okay. What you trying to do?
plug it in.
Let me see.
Oh, it's because it's fucking upside down.
Damn, those are fresh.
Oh, they don't give me no room. Oh, Osram, I swear. I'm coming for y'all, bro. No, it's actually forward. Forward, as usual.
Ty's getting pissed off.
Struggle. Give me those maxi cuts. Oh, is this even the right? Where's the factory?
Oh, the light harness is right here.
Those hose. Why, bro? So the fancy ass taillights have the same connector that the car harness has.
It's like plugging two mail-ins together. Don't work. Unless there's an adapter.
Oh, sons of bitches, bro.
We'll be back shortly.
Yeah.
We're back again. About to cut some wires. About to solder some wires.
This is the same one that's already in there. It's looking for that one. But that one's on the old tail light.
Hey!
And this is the new one.
Cut back to the tie saying it's just 2 bolts and plug and play, bro.
Just one clip, couple bolts, we're in.
I knew that motherfucker jinxed it.
Nah, bro, that's how they sold it to me, bro. Even the instructions just has a picture, bro. It says you take the old ones out, 2 screws, and then it says it shows the clips. It says click.
All right, well, never trust that shit, I guess.
I should have known, bro. I turned it over and it's just Chinese.
Bro, we got it out in like 5 minutes. I thought it was going too easy,
Real.
and I was right.
It do be 2 bolts.
We already 2 bolts and it comes right out in a clip.
All right. If y'all want to see some sick ass fucking stickers and maybe some shirts and shit later on, hit the fucking bell, bro.
Bro, I'm saying eventually we gotta have the no lift banner up here.
For real. And then they'll know once they see it.
Yeah, bro.
All y'all really gonna see is these fucking taillights.
All y'all really gonna see is
Cause y'all about to lose big fucking gaps, bro.
Let's cut some wires.
Fuck, dude. I'm scared to cut wires, bro. Scarier than spark plugs, bro.
Nah, worst case, you can always just put the wires back.
Nah, bro, irreversible.
Alright.
Strip. We got pliers. We got motherfucking chops.
The chops. Point of no return.
There goes the taillights.
It's gonna feel worse on the new ones.
Hold on, bro. Hold on.
Hold that wire out
Let
the
me
way.
get a good cut here right at the same spot. Okay. Okay.
That's what we need. Now we gotta cut the new boys. I would cut them like
The
right.
new boys.
How's it coming, Ty?
Oh, you know, we're just out here chopping shit up, stripping it out. You know what's up? And if we're experts at anything, it's stripping shit out, bro. Link the fucking downpipe video.
We got Rom starting fires out there.
Test it. Cause I don't want them to touch each other, you know? While they're in there. I guess we'll have it outside so we can just hold the heat shrink, or move the heat shrink over the connections.
Oh yeah, you can just move it over and not heat them up.
Yeah. Just get a view of this, bro. That's expert wiring right there, bro. You see that?
Let's try it.
Listen to me, bro. If you're not a pro, don't even think about trying this shit, bro. Don't even think about it. Cause you ain't getting anywhere close to this level of freaking perfection on this fucking wire, bro. Yeah, we got it all hooked up now.
Did it work?
Now we're about to test it in a minute.
Let's test it out. Or just spread the wires. Then we'll fucking drip some solder on there.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this real quick.
Just slip that over so they don't touch.
Yeah.
Yep.
So now we about to hook it up, see if the wires work. If they do, we about to solder them bitches, shrink wrap them hoes.
I'm looking for some solder right now.
Hook her up. We got it.
I think I got some.
There's a roll in here.
Right here.
Oh shit. We got all the solder.
Yep.
Solder me not. Oh shit. We've done something.
Oh, careful.
Oh my gosh. Woo! Yo!
Damn.
Yeah, son.
Sequential.
You see that? Yeah. Dude.
All right.
Is that the brakes?
Is that your right turn signal?
Yeah.
Okay, brakes. Yep.
Okay.
Brakes are there.
Reverse.
Yep.
Yo,
You're good,
okay.
bro.
Done it. Wired. Yeah, dude. We're getting it done, bro.
Bro, you ain't about to see no cleaner fucking Fiesta on the streets, bro. Let me tell you. Shit's about to be too hard, bro.
Chill. That thing's barely gonna get hot enough, bro.
The Tiger.
Alright, bro.
That should work.
Hit the focus.
There it is.
Tiger.
Yeah, the Tiger, bro. What you know about that?
Oh, that's that Bezos special.
Yup.
Shit's not about to come apart, bro.
Nah. Cement. Might as well be concrete holding it together.
Don't make me laugh right now. I gotta have a steady hand. Alright, that should be plenty of fucking solder, bro. We'll slip the shit over. Yo, the Tiger was putting in work, bro. This thing works. Shout out to Tiger.
Tiger, yeah, for real, doing it right. How much was that shit time off of Amazon?
$20.
Probably like $15.
Yeah.
$15. Get yourself a Tiger, and you'll never regret it. We've soldered with it twice. All right, Ty, mount this shit where you want it.
All right, bro.
I'm sick of waiting around, bro. You sick of waiting around?
Bro, I'm tired. I'm tired
I'm just
of hearing about these $800 headlights.
Quite frankly, I'm over it, bro.
Step 1, plug. Step 2, play. Step 3.
Fucking start chopping wires.
Yeah.
Really out here in the shit, bro. Fucking getting it done. Fucking wiring shit up.
Bro, hurry up and mount it.
Bro, get it over with.
Bro, what is it?
Over here, we measure projects in beers.
True that.
This was a 4-beer project, right?
What's this for?
I think so. Ty, don't make this a 5.
Bro, we're done.
All right, Ty says we're done. Oh. See it.
All right, bro. Step 4. Stunt.
Yeah.
With the signals.
Yep. Yeah, dude, that's sick.
All right, hold up.
Oh, yeah.
Hard, bro. That's what it should have looked like.
For real.
Step 4.